This is Aster, blue collar male. He's looking at Elijah because that's who put him in the room. Thinking maybe Elijah, put him back, set him right in front of your mom, over here. Oh, a little bit closer to your mom though. He just thinks you're his friend. Oh, he went right up to her. Oh yeah. He's seeking your attention. Looks like he's about to crawl on your lap. Oh yeah. Touch exercise. Tug on ears, cover eyes. Stick fingers in mouth. Tap toes. And I already saw her tug on his tail. And it's down to play. You also may need to go potty.
Yep.
He just really likes you. It's like, forget the toys. I just want the human. Oh, there we go. Oh, and that ball too. What is back to this one? Shoot, he heard me. I should have keep my mouth shut. Recovered well. A little bigger startle, but he kind of took off. He did recover. Yeah, you might do Frank first and then do the fall.
Okay.
Since I think he took a minute to recover more from that.
Kisses.
Are you good?
Yep. Nope. Frank.
Frank.
I think this is the worst. We use Frank because these puppies see him the least of all the dogs we have. Oh, he's just giving Frank sweet kisses. Oh, he likes him.
Oh, okay. All right.
Look at it. Aster rolled over on his back. Like, I just want to be your friend.
Oh, good job. All right, you can get him.
Okay.
He's so silly.
Where did your bone go? Nigel, where's his bone?
Oh, my sweet.
He's checking on you.
Sweet little boy.
He's very sweet. Oh. Good job, little boy.